I have a really funny and cool story of why I like to steal my boyfriend Mike's drinks. On one of our very first dates, he took me to the core TD Square shopping center. We walked in and of course there was a Starbucks and I hadn't been there for a really long time, so I'm like, oh my gosh, get me a coffee, a special coffee. And he's like, oh, I have a surprise for you. So we went up the glass elevator to the very top floor, and he's like, have you ever had frozen yogurt before? And of course I never had. He's like, you can pick the flavor and the topping, and I was so excited because it's like one of my very first dates with him and he's so sweet. And I picked, of course, chocolate frozen yogurt with gummy bears, and Smarties. And I even got him to feed me some of the frozen yogurt because it was cute. It was our very first date. And I was so thirsty, being a coffeeholic, that I drank my drink so fast that without even knowing, I just reached over, grabbed his hot chocolate, and started drinking it halfway down. I'm like, oh my gosh, what did I just do? It's his drink. And I laughed, except I looked at him and I thought he would be mad or something, or say something to me. He just smiled. He just gave me this look of like, and I'm like, he's like, go ahead. And so ever since, no matter where I go out, 4 years later, I always have some of his drink. And I love him so much.